When eminent Drosophila geneticist T.H. Morgan found an unusual white-eyed mutant fly, he bred pure stocks and tested them. Was the white-eyed character a typical autosomal recessive trait? In a test cross, Morgan mated pure-breeding white-eyed females and pure-breeding red-eyed males. If female eggs carried the recessive white-eye allele on an autosome and male sperm carried a dominant red-eye allele, the mating should have produced all heterozygous red-eyed progeny, males and females alike. Did that happen? In fact, all of the females were red-eyed, but all of the males were white-eyed. The mutant phenotype was apparently linked to the sex of the fly. Morgan hypothesized that this eye color locus was indeed recessive, but was linked to the X chromosome. Female progeny got a mutant X from their mother and a wild-type X from their father, making them red-eyed. Male progeny, however, got a mutant X from their mother and a Y without the eye color locus from their father, and the recessive white-eye trait appeared. Morgan's hypothesis correctly predicted outcomes of other crosses. For instance, when pure red-eyed females were mated with pure white-eyed males, the F1 progeny were all red-eyed. Then, when F1 males and females were mated, F2 progeny revealed the X linkage. Half were red-eyed females. Another quarter were red-eyed males. And the remaining quarter were white-eyed males. X-linked inheritance had been clearly demonstrated, but an unexplained result remained. Of the 1,237 F1 progeny examined, 3 were white-eyed males. Morgan attributed them to mutation. However, such a high mutation rate was unlikely. His student Calvin Bridges had a different idea. Bridges supposed the rare male offspring resulted from non-disjunction of the 2 X chromosomes during meiosis in their mothers. Normally, the 2 female X chromosomes replicate, align, and separate to daughter cells during the first meiotic division. Each pair then separates to give 4 haploid gametes, each with 1 X chromosome. Bridges thought that failed separation during the first meiotic division left the 2 duplicated X chromosomes together in 1 daughter cell. After the second division, 2 eggs would have 2 X chromosomes each, and 2 would have none. Let's see how Bridges' prediction plays out in the original cross. When an egg with no X chromosome is fertilized by a sperm containing an X chromosome bearing the white-eyed allele, the resulting offspring would be a white-eyed male. Why male? Because a fly with a single X chromosome has an X to A ratio of 0.5, just like in a normal XY male. When Bridges examined the karyotype of these rare white-eyed males, he found they had 1 X and no Y chromosome. His non-disjunction hypothesis was correct.